All right, let's talk about the trades that I took this week. It is the first week of September. I'm looking at the NASDAQ futures and the 15-minute time frame. Monday was a holiday. It was Labor Day. I did not take any trades that day. I also didn't take any trades on Tuesday. I didn't like the setup. I couldn't really read the market or get a clear understanding of the direction, so I decided not to take a trade that day. It was very rangy. On Wednesday, I took one trade. It was a very frustrating trade. I entered right here at the close of this 8 a.m. Central Time candle. I got in right here, sat in fucking drawdown forever. Finally, the trade moved in my direction. I closed it here at about 9:45 a.m. Central Time because this is a reversal candle and I had been holding this trade in drawdown for way too long, and I decided to just take my little profit and move on with my day. On Thursday, I took two trades. I took a loss right here. I entered on this 9 a.m. or at the close of this 9 a.m. candle when the price broke this level. I did get in on the pullback, but immediately went against me and I got stopped out, and that's fine. I ended up taking a long right here after this signal. I got in right here on this candle and I held it basically to break even though I could have held it longer and ended up a bit more in the green for that day, but I was pretty exhausted from trading that day, and so I was over it. And then today, so I'm kicking myself because I did not take this trade. I mapped it out as this candle printed right here, a signal and a really strong momentum candle, and I decided to talk myself out of it. I thought, you know what, let's just end the week in the green, and of course it would have been the biggest trade that I had taken all week, and I'm really frustrated, but that's the way it goes. I knew I didn't want to take this pre-market entry right here. This was news-driven overreaction. Price was overextended, and also you can see price was starting to slow down. Even with the market open, the price action was really weak. So this would have been a 5 out of 5 trade, but of course I did not take it. So that sucks, but it is what it is. That still happens after 5 years of trading. So I ended up with a whopping 71.5 points trading the NASDAQ futures with a 66.67% win rate and a 1.91 profit factor. It is what it is. I did not have any really powerful trades this week, but that's the way it goes sometimes. Sometimes the momentum is really strong and other times it's not. But, you know, we have the rest of the month to go. This is just the start of the month. Get back in it next week. Have a good weekend.